In the last month, we earned more than $12,000. Channels like Low Budget Stories and Lord Wajak are growing fast because they've mastered one thing: simple animation, strong storytelling, and a clean, scalable workflow. In this video, the complete Wajak video creation process is broken down, from channel setup and storytelling to editing, plus the exact techniques that help videos perform consistently. This same roadmap is used across multiple automated YouTube channels. Follow it step by step and you'll understand exactly how creators are growing Wajak channels and turning content into real income. Watch till the end. This can change how you approach YouTube. Step 1. Channel creation. The first step is channel branding, because this is what defines your entire Wajak identity. Start by opening the Google Doc. You'll find a channel name prompt there. Copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Make sure to select the thinking option, then click generate. Within a few seconds, you'll get multiple channel name ideas that work perfectly for Wajak style content. Choose the one that fits your vision best, or regenerate until you find the right match. Once the channel name is finalized, go back to the Google Doc and copy the YouTube logo prompt. Now open Gemini and paste the prompt along with a sample Wajak image. The sample image is already provided in the Google Doc, but if you have a better reference image, you can use that as well. Next, you'll see a section called Scene Addition. The Google Doc includes multiple scene options. Pick the one that best matches your concept, paste it into Gemini, and click Generate. Within moments, Gemini will create a clean, unique YouTube logo for your channel. If the logo doesn't feel perfect on the first attempt, simply regenerate it using a different scene prompt. After the logo, it's time to create your channel banner. Copy the banner prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into Gemini. Here, you only need to add your channel name, your niche. For example, if your channel is focused on self-improvement, mention that clearly. If you're targeting a micro niche, you can specify that as well. Once you click Generate, Gemini will design a professional looking banner for your channel. If you want changes, just give Gemini a few modification instructions. It will adjust the design instantly. Optionally, you can further customize your logo and banner using tools like Canva, Pixel Lab, or Photoshop. Once your channel name, logo, and banner are ready, upload them to your YouTube channel. This completes your professional branding setup and prepares your channel for growth. Step 2. Idea generation. Generating ideas for Wajak videos is simple, and this step alone removes most of the guesswork that holds creators back. Start by opening the Google Doc. Scroll to the niche section, where you'll find a prompt called Idea Generator. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you 20 video ideas along with their themes. Ideas that are designed to hold attention and work well with Wajak style storytelling. Take a moment to review the list and select the idea and theme that best fit your channel. This choice matters because the right idea makes scripting, editing, and even going viral much easier. Once you've selected an idea, copy it, because in the next step, I'll show you how to turn this exact idea into a complete high retention script. Don't skip ahead. The scripting step is where most creators get it wrong. Step 3. Script generation. Before anything else, understand this clearly. The script is the single most important factor in whether a video goes viral or not. You can have good visuals and clean editing, but if the script is weak, the video won't hold attention and the algorithm won't push it. That's why most creators fail at this stage. To generate the script, go back to the Google Doc and copy the script generation prompt. Wajak videos don't work randomly. You can't just try to be funny or emotional and expect results. Wajak scripts follow a specific structure, and that structure is already clearly explained inside the prompt. Your job is simple. Copy and paste the prompt exactly as it is. Do not make any changes. For script generation, we'll use Claude, because for Wajak style storytelling, Claude consistently produces more natural, high retention scripts. Open Claude, paste the script generation prompt, then paste the idea and theme you selected earlier from ChatGPT. Click Generate. Within moments, Claude will create a complete, ready-to-use script. Click the 3 dots and copy the script. You can use ChatGPT for scripting as well, but based on real results, Claude performs better for Wajak videos, which is why this is the recommended tool. Do not rush this step. A strong script is what turns a normal video into a viral one. Step 4. Voice generation. One thing you'll notice across almost every successful Wajak channel is this: the voice always feels familiar. That's not accidental. Consistent voice style is a core part of Wajak branding, and it plays a big role in keeping viewers engaged and coming back for the next video. This is exactly how established Wajak channels maintain a recognizable identity, and this is the same approach we follow across our automated channels. In Wajak videos, voice consistency matters a lot. Most viral Wajak channels use a similar voice style because it helps maintain maintain the same overall feel across videos and builds familiarity with the audience. You can achieve this by using voice cloning features from tools like 11 Labs or Minimax. There are already many tutorials on YouTube that explain how voice cloning works. And if this video receives enough interest, I'll create a separate detailed video showing how to do voice cloning, including free methods. For now, voice cloning is optional. You can also generate high-quality voiceovers using tools like 11 Labs, Minimax, Speechma, or any other AI voice platform that offers natural sounding models. In this video, I'll keep it simple and use 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs and paste your final script into the text box. From the list below, choose a voice model that fits the Wajak style, then click Generate. After a short wait, your voiceover will be ready. Click the download icon and save the audio file. And that's it. Your voice generation process is complete. Step 5. Visual generation. This step is critical, because in Wajak videos, visual consistency directly affects virality. The more natural and consistent your visuals feel, the longer people watch. And higher watch time is exactly what pushes videos on YouTube. That's why this step deserves extra attention. To generate visuals, go back to the Google Doc and copy the visual generation prompt exactly as it is. Do not modify it. Now open ChatGPT, select the thinking option and paste the prompt. Below the prompt, paste the script you generated earlier. Click Generate. ChatGPT will now give you multiple detailed visual prompts. Copy these prompts, we'll use them to create the actual visuals. For visual creation, we'll use Google Whisk AI. Open Google Whisk, click Add Images, and upload a Wajak reference visual. This helps maintain the correct style and character consistency across all scenes. Next, paste the visual prompt, then click Generate. Within a short time, you'll get high-quality results. Follow this same process to generate all the visuals needed for your video. One important thing to remember, Wajak videos must feel natural, not artificial. That's why visual consistency matters so much. Clean, consistent visuals improve watch time, strengthen branding, and significantly increase the chances of your video going viral. Step 6. Video generation. This is where everything comes together. Your script, visuals, and prompts finally turn into a video. To generate videos, open the Google Doc and copy the video generation prompt. Version A. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will create a separate video prompt for each visual you generated earlier. Make sure to copy these prompts carefully. At the end of this video, I'll also show you an alternative method to generate both visual prompts and video prompts more efficiently. So stay till the end. For video creation, we'll use Grok AI because it allows you to generate videos for free. If you have access to Google VO3, you can use that as well. Alternatively, Meta AI is another option. If Grok AI doesn't work in your region, you can download the working version from my Telegram. It runs completely free. Now open Grok AI and click Create Videos, upload your visual, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. After a short wait, your video clip will be ready. Repeat this same process to generate all the video clips you need for your project. Step 7. Editing. Here's the good news. When you create Wajak videos using AI, heavy editing isn't required. The goal isn't flashy effects. The goal is smooth flow, strong pacing, and clean sound design. Start by placing all video clips and the voiceover on your timeline. Then align the clips according to the voiceover. The narration should always lead the visuals. If a clip feels too short, slightly slow it down. If a clip feels too long, speed it up. These small adjustments make a big difference in retention. Next, add sound effects to make the experience more immersive. The same goes for background music. And this part is extremely important. In Wajak videos, background music plays a key role in setting the mood. Always choose music that matches the emotion and tone of your script. If needed, you can even use ChatGPT to help you select the right type of background music. One thing to always remember, the biggest difference between a flop Wajak video and a viral Wajak video is pacing. Clean pacing keeps viewers watching. Poor pacing makes them leave. So focus on smooth clip transitions, balanced speed, clean, non-distracting sound design. Your final video should feel natural, engaging, and easy to watch. Never boring. If you want a dedicated video on sound design for Wajak videos, let me know in the comments. Step 8. Thumbnail generation. Your thumbnail is the first impression. And on YouTube, a great video with a weak thumbnail will still fail. That's why this step matters more than most creators realize. To generate thumbnails, start by downloading any thumbnail from the Wajak niche that you like. This will be used as a visual reference. Now go back to the Google Doc and copy the thumbnail generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, then add your niche, the idea, the theme, and upload the reference thumbnail. Click Generate. ChatGPT will give you detailed thumbnail prompts. Copy the full prompt. Next, open Google Whisk, paste the prompt, and upload your Wajak character image. Click Generate. Within moments, you'll get a high-quality thumbnail concept. If the result isn't perfect on the first try, regenerate a few times. Iteration is normal when creating strong thumbnails. If you want even higher quality, you can also design thumbnails manually using tools like Canva or Photoshop. Custom thumbnails often perform better once you understand the style. And with that, this Wajak video creation course comes to an end. All the prompts used in this course are available on my Telegram channel. You'll find the Telegram link in the video description. If for any reason the description link doesn't work, the same link is also available in my bio. These prompts took a lot of testing and refinement, so make sure you save them and use them properly. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more advanced AI YouTube strategies. I'll see you in the next important video on your screen. Thanks for watching.